Okay guys, look at this, look at my FC points. It's actually generating, guys, I can't believe it. What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I got FC points for FC Mobile absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website and type in search FC Mobile and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and I will have to enter our user ID. So let me paste my here, I already copy. Let me click connect to the server and let's wait a little bit. As you can see, user found. So the next step is select FC points amount. So I will go with the maximum. So let me click continue guys, and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for free FC points. Resources ready, just scroll down and click verify now, and let's wait a little bit. And now guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and it will start downloading from the official publisher where the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have description what you have to do. So guys, I download this app VPN and this Sophie app, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and I got this status complete, success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait for this redirecting guys, and let's see the final step. Injection successful guys, that's it. If you have this message, okay, so let me open my FC Mobile and let's test, does it actually works. Let's see guys. Okay guys, look at this, look at my FC points. It's actually generating guys, I can't believe it. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.